Hello, welcome to Ellie V Toys. It's not even Easter and I have got a massive egg to open. It's not just a normal egg either, it's got a big bow on the top because, just like it says here on the box, Rainbocorns Big Bow Surprise. And there's a big bow on the top, isn't that a surprise? Okay, and it's got a big unicorn horn. So it's new bobocorns to collect, over 25 beautiful surprises, which giant rainbocorn, that's really cool. So many beautiful surprises. I don't think I can say that any more times. So 25 plus surprises in here. The first surprise is whether I can get it open. These things always shred for me. I can never just get the zip line to go all the way down. So shred. We'll get it open eventually. Oh, that's so pretty. It's so pretty and gold and shiny, but there's more plastic to get off. So we have to do a whole load more ripping. These 25 plus surprises are incredibly well secured in this gigantic not Easter egg. Okay, so we can now reveal our sequin surprise. We'll brush it up. Wow, that's fancy. Look at that, it's like a slushie. Such pretty colours. Really pretty colours. So 2 slushies with big pink hearts on them. They're like corally colours. Oh, this is fun. I could probably do this all day, but I shouldn't because we've got all these surprises to actually crack into. How do I open this? Let's lean on it. Let's press it open. Oh, good work. All right. Who have we got? A whole load of this stuff. Okay, so there's lots of good stuff in here. Oh, look at this sad little guy. He looks happy, but we'll make him happier now because his unicorn horn was poking him in the nose. He's got the most enormous googly eyes. He's got wings, and he's definitely a rainbow unicorn. And his sequined heart is also a clip. And you can put it on his belly, but you can also take it off if you want it to be huggable and nice and soft and squishy. It is nigh on impossible to get these things in, but I'm going to give it a really good shot. This is really actually quite hard. I don't know why it's so hard. It's supposed to be this harder, I'm just not doing a very good job. Let's fix some of the sequins and let's check out our little collect them all guide. So this fella is definitely the unicorn, Bobo Unicorn, the fairest of them all. Oh, beautiful collector's guide. Right, there's lots of things in here, but I don't want to do any spoilers. No spoilers. What surprises will you hatch? I don't want to know. I want to find out by opening it all up. And the first surprise is actually this bow on the top here. Should be able to come off and we can wear it, but wow, that is seriously secured in there, which is sensible because this bit's hanging out the top of the egg in the shop. You don't want people just to rip it off. So I will figure out how to get that off later because that looks quite seriously secured on there. I've also got a flamingo, but this one's from a previous giant one that I opened, and he's adorable too. Look at his colourful palm trees. So my Bobo Unicorn, my flamingo, they can be best buds. They can hang out while we open up all of the good stuff in this gigantic egg. So let me see. Got big rainbow corn. This is big. Wow, look at that. So there's a headband. It's a massive unicorn with a bow headband. Of course it is. Of course it is. Wow, that's so cute. That's adorable. So these aren't just there's little eggs down here. I was about to say, these aren't just little surprises. These are big surprises, but we got little tiny rainbow corns to hatch out of these little eggs that were nestled right at the bottom of our giant egg. So we got all our surprises out now. Let's crack these guys open. I keep saying crack them open, but they are eggs, so it makes perfect sense. See if I can actually get them open in one. No, never, ever. I can never get them out in one straight shot. But anywho, okay, so who we got in here? Got a cute little, oh, that's adorable. This little kitty. He's like a little kitty corn with a little horn. And there's what's that? Oh, there's all sorts of random stuff in here. All sorts of random accessories. Oh, and the heart comes off. That's going to go on the ring here. Just need to make sure that I'm facing it the right way because there's a roundy end and there's a straight end. So we've got a cute little ring, which fits perfectly on my finger because it's totally designed for an adult, not. Oh, I could swap it over. Oh, there's a little bow. A little kitty gets a little bow. That's so cute. That's seriously cute. We could put this little butterfly on the ring. Just have to, once again, line it up the right way around. So pretty. All right, but I like the bling. Let's put the sparkly bling back on. Oh, nice. Hey, little kitty. You're really cute. Let's find out who your friends are in the other 2 eggs. So let's zip them open. How am I going with this one? No. See? Every time it goes round. Does that happen to you? I cannot go right all the way down. I need to stop harping on this. Okay, so we've got another little clip, a hair clip, a shiny lion fellow with his little sparkly heart. Oh, he's adorable. And in his little egg too, we've got another ring, and he's got a bow too. Oh, his bow's got little gold lines on them to match his, well, I was going to say beard, but lions have ruffs, right? Not beard. He's a bearded lion. So we've got a couple of butterfly wing things here, and we've got two little sparkly blinky rings. I feel so pretty. Oh, my fingers are all pretty. Let's see what's in this last one, in this one with the pretty mint green heart. Okay, cracking it open. Oh, I have to count how many times we say cracking it open. In fact, this should probably be the last, because this is the last of the eggs. All the other things we should be ripping them open. Right, let me see. Whose little purple bottom is this sticking out? Is another unicorn? I think it is another little unicorn. That's adorable. Oh, you've got a little mint-coloured bow with dots on it. I got two bows with dots on them. That's cute. And I wondered if I could. Oh, you can put the. All right, so they're supposed to have wings. So he's got little mint-coloured wings. He's got a spare bow, which is nice. He's got a rainbow hair clip, and all these other little guys actually need their wings. But let me put my latest pretty ring together with its gorgeous heart. It's not going on properly. There we go. Where am I going to put this? I still have more fingers, but I don't think they fit on them. Let's put everybody else's wings on so they're all beautifully decked out. Oh, last one. Where's the last one? It's a little, my ring keeps losing its bling. It's a blingless ring. And last set of wings, blings, and rings. And I put her little bow around the wrong way. I didn't even notice it had spots on it. Now they are really, really cute. They're really cute, the mini teeny weeny Rainbocorn. Alright, let's see what's in here. Well, let's move our little tiny Rainbocorns out of the way and see what other surprises we've got. Oh, pretty. It's a little springy bracelet. Wow, I'm going to be so pretty. It's just knocked my bling off. My ring bling. Let's put my ring bling back on. Perfect. Okay, what else have we got? This is so much fun. There's so many big surprises in here. It's another bow. It's a gold, very fancy, gold and black bow, which we can wear in our hair, or we can use it to decorate our gigantic Rainbocorns. That's pretty. These are great surprises. What's in this one? This is big too. This is exciting. It's fluffy. It's fluffy and it's got like sleepy eyes and a little, there's ears and unicorn horns. It's a slap band. It's a fluffy slap band. Oh, my wrist has never been so decorated and warm. It's covered in sparkles. Let's see what other cool sparkles we've got in the next little bag here. Oh, these are sparkly too, but I can't wear these, or can I? Maybe I could. Not really supposed to though. So these are that sort of squishy gel painty thing. I don't really know, what do you use these for apart from decorating things? They're good for using on plastic or on decorating windows. Maybe you shouldn't use them on decorating windows. Let's wipe that off for now. And we'll see what's in our next little bag. We've got 2 more bags to go, I think. This one has got some more potential for Sparkies here. Sparkies? What's Sparkies? Sparklies got some stickers that we can decorate with the glitter. We're going to have to give that a go after we've finished opening up our last little baggie. What's in the last little baggie? I'm a bit sad to get to the end of the surprises. It's some very, very sparkly, almost, are these like the holographic stickers? So we got some bow-eautiful stickers here and some of the little cutie Rainbocorn characters, and they're different on each sticker. Rainbows on the other stickers too. It's just a shame that one's a bit bent. All right, let's give this sparkly glitter sticker a go. So I've cut this snowflake, because we're close to Christmas. We're getting there anyway. I've cut the snowflake out. I thought snowflake would be perfect. We'll put it down here, press it down nice and firmly, and then when we peel back the plastic covering carefully, then we've got our nice little sticky pink bit left behind, and all we have to do now is open up the glitter. This should be very satisfying and very relaxing. We can tap the glitter, tippity tap the glitter onto the sticky bit, and it's just going to stay on the sticky bit, and it's going to fall. Actually, it seems to be going on the sticky bit so much more than anywhere else, which is really cool. We can put it on and then we can tap off the excess. And then we will just have the most gorgeous gold sparkly star. You can use that to decorate anything. I wonder if I could use these as fake tattoos. Maybe. I might have to give that a try. And I will be so sparkly. Okay, so we've finished decorating with the glitter. Let's secure the glitter away again, because glitter, you don't want to leave that glitter container open. It's just a recipe for disaster. Let's tap away the excess glitter. And maybe we could, oh, actually, brushing it away is a bad idea because I'm just putting more glitter on because there's glitter on the brush. But isn't that pretty? That's so pretty. Oh, I've loved the giant rainbocorns, the giant bow rainbocorns, the flamingo and the unicorn. They're just adorable. Okay, I'm all out of surprises. That's really sad. So I'm going to have to leave you now. Now's the time to subscribe. Now is the time to give the video a like. What else do you need to do? Oh, you need to leave a comment. You need to do all those really important things. And I'll see you with a new video very, very soon. I'm off to play with all my sparkles. See you soon. Bye.